Good morning, everybody. It's snowing outside. Look at that. We're supposed to get like 1 to 3 inches by later this afternoon. And I don't doubt it. We have quite a bit on the ground already, and it just started snowing like an hour ago. So, yeah, it's really coming down. I hit my curtain. Oh, goodness. Scarlett's not up yet this morning. Her and her doggy are here visiting us for a week. Davy! It's a winter wonderland. Look at that. Max, you want to go outside in the snow? Go outside. There you go. It snowed a little bit last year, but not a lot. So this is really his first big snow. He's a Florida dog. He really never have seen a lot of snow. When he was a puppy, my friend Lisa was sick, and we drove from Florida up to her house to Louisville, Kentucky, and he was only about, 6 months old maybe, and I put him down. It might have been snowing that time, and I put him down in the snow, and he wouldn't even go to the bathroom. He didn't like the cold feet. So, but it melted pretty fast, so he really didn't see it for very long. Yeah, if it keeps coming down like this, we'll definitely get a lot of snow today. And the river's high too. It's almost up to the flood wall. Come on. It's really coming down. What's going on, Davy? There's Tyler this morning. Oh. Uh-oh, he's looking for Davy. Davy's right there. Hiding behind. Where's Davy? Huh, Dad? Tyler? There he goes. Where is he? Oh, huh? Where'd the kitty go? What? Boy, we're gonna let them both out now. Go play in the snow, boys. Still snowing pretty good. It's snowing a lot. Love it. Definitely not going anywhere today. Me and Scarlett are going to make a chicken and rice casserole. And I'll try to show you guys how to make it. What you doing now, buddy?
Is that what it is?
What? What do you want?
I'm 53.
He wants dog
But
food. You want dog food?
I'm still 35. That's why I take
Want dog food? Yeah?
It nourishes and strengthens my joints for the
Kitty. He's very vocal.
Tyler. Dog food, Tyler? Want doggy food? Well, you want to go somewhere?
Don't say that.
Want a kitty kitty? Do you want to get the kitty kitty? Kitty kitty? Max has got somebody to play with. You guys are so cute. Max doesn't want to share any of his toys. He's piled them all up over here. Here, Tyler, you can get this one. No, you don't want that one? What the? Here's a ball that squeaks. No. What you doing, Max? What? We're watching a movie. He's hiding in the bathroom. He's trying to stay away from Tyler because Tyler chases him. And Davy doesn't like it right now, so he's hiding in the bathroom. In the shelf. On the shelf in the bathroom. Yep, it's still snowing, guys. I'll show you. Look at the snow. My car's under snow. That's crazy, huh? Got a penguin on the porch. And Marty Moose over here with the bicycle. He's got snow on him. Oh my goodness. It's going to snow all day. The weather says we could almost get 3 inches. And the river's high. It's almost to the, you know, the park I go to. There was a barge almost in the park me and Scarlett saw yesterday. It looked like it was almost in the park.